Hello everyone, good morning. This is your maths class for today. Students, now let's start question number 9. Rehan borrowed a sum of rupees 24,000 to open a gift shop at 5% per annum compounded annually. For 3 years, find the compound interest paid by him. Okay students, that means जो रेहान है वो 24,000 बोरो लेता है एक गिफ्ट शॉप ओपन करने के लिए. किस रेट से? 5% के रेट से 3 ईयर्स के लिए. सो हमें कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट फाइंड करना है कि उसने कितना पे किया. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ओके सो हेयर प्रिंसिपल इज हेयर, दैट इज 24,000. ओके, हेयर रेट इज 5% and time is 3 years. Okay, and students, if it is, so students, for compound interest, interest for first year that will be here P into R into T upon 100. Okay students, here we will put the value of these, that is 24,000, that is R5 and that is 1 because of 1 year. Okay, upon 100. Okay, so 2 0 cancel by this 2 0, so we have 0, 5 4 is 20 and 5 2 is 10, then 12. Okay, so that is the interest for first year. Okay students, rupees 1200. Okay, now students, what is the amount here? Amount here, that is principal plus interest. Here principal is 24,000 and plus interest is 12,000, so that is 2 and that is 4 and 5 1 and that is 2. So student, that is the amount of the first year and that is the principal for the second year. Okay students, so now interest for second year. So student, that is the principal for second year into R, that means 5 and time will be 1 upon 100. Okay, 2 0 cancel by this 2 0. So students, we have 5 2 is 10, 5 5 is 25, then 26, 5 2 is 10, then 12. Okay, so that is the interest for second year. Okay, now we will find the amount here. Principal plus interest, here principal is 25,200 plus interest is 1,260. So we have, that is 2 and 2 4, that is 5 and 1 6 and that is 2. So student, that is the amount for second year and we can say it is a principal for third year. Okay, so now we will find the interest for 3 years. Okay, थर्ड ईयर के लिए हम इंटरेस्ट फाइंड करते हैं. सो दिस इज द प्रिंसिपल फॉर थर्ड ईयर. Rate is 5 and that is 1 upon 100. Okay, 5 2 is 10, 1 0 cancel by this 1 0 and 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Okay students, so that means we have 1323. Okay, rupees. So that means that is the interest for third year. Okay, students, now we will find the compound interest for 3 years. Okay, so compound interest 3 years. स्टूडेंट्स कंफ्यूज मत हो जाना, ये थर्ड ईयर है, ये 3 ईयर्स है, मीन्स कंप्लीट 3 ईयर्स. ओके, सो दैट इज द इंटरेस्ट फॉर 1 ईयर प्लस इंटरेस्ट फॉर 2 ईयर एंड इंटरेस्ट फॉर 3 ईयर. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इंटरेस्ट फॉर 1 ईयर दैट इज 1200, interest for second year that is 1260 and interest for third year that is 1323. Okay, so now we add them, that is 3 and that is 8 and that is 3 to 5, then 7 and that is 3. Okay students, so rupees 3783 is the interest for third years. Okay, so that is your answer. Okay, now the next question is question number 10. Hina deposited rupees 2,000 in the bank for 3 whole 1 upon 4 years at interest rate of 10% per annum compounded annually. Calculate the amount she received at the end of the term. Okay, that means जो हीना है वो डिपॉजिट करती है 2,000 रुपीज़ एक बैंक में. कितने ईयर्स के लिए? 3 होल 1 अपॉन ईयर्स के लिए. ओके जो उसका रेट गिवन है वो 10% गिवन है एंड कंपाउंडेड एनुअली का मीन्स क्या है, कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट। ओके सो आपको वो अमाउंट बताना है जितना वो रिसीव करती है उस टर्म के एंड में। क्लियर? ओके सो स्टूडेंट्स फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव प्रिंसिपल। प्रिंसिपल का मीन्स जो मनी उसने डिपॉजिट की दैट इज 2000। ओके एंड हेयर रेट इज 10%. Okay and time is 3 whole 1/4 years. Okay so students first of all we find the compound interest and then we will find the amount. Okay so here interest for first year. So what will be here? P into R into T upon 100. Okay so we will put the value of PRT. So that is P is 2000, R is 10 and time is 1. Okay so upon 100. So 20 cancel by this 20, so we have 200. Okay so that is the interest for first year. Okay now what is the amount here? Amount here that is principal plus interest. So principal is here 2000 and interest is here 200. So that will be 2200 rupees. Okay students so that is the amount for first year and this is the principal for second year. Okay so interest for second year, that is the principal for second year into rate, that means 10 and that is 1 upon 100. Okay so that means we have 220. Okay so that is the interest for second year. Okay now what is the amount here? Amount that will be, that is the principal here and that is the interest here. So we have that is 2 to 4, that is 2. So that means rupees 2420, or we can say that is the principal for third year. Okay so now interest for that is the principal for third year. Okay and rate is given and that is 1 upon 100. 20 cancel by this 20, so we have 242. So that is the interest for third year. Okay students so students अब हमने 3 ईयर तो कम्प्लीटली फाइंड कर लिए हैं. ओके 3 होल था ना, तो 3 ईयर हमने कम्प्लीटली फाइंड कर लिए. अब कितना ईयर बचता है? 1/4. ओके सो 1/4 ईयर अब भी बचता है, तो मीन्स हमें इंटरेस्ट फाइंड करना पड़ेगा उस ईयर के लिए भी. इंटरेस्ट फॉर 1/4 ईयर. ओके मीन्स इस ईयर के लिए, क्योंकि अब क्या आप थर्ड ईयर का तो आपने इजीली फाइंड कर लिया है, 1/4 ईयर का भी फाइंड करना है आपको. So that will be here. So first of all we find the amount here, that is principal plus interest. So that means that is principal and interest is, that is this one. So we can add them, that is 246 and 246 and that is 2. Okay students so that is the principal for means 1/4 year के लिए. Okay so that is 2662 into 10 into 1/4. Okay students and upon 100. Okay so students we have 2662 into 10 into 1 and this 4 will become in the denominator, that is 100. So 10 cancel by this 10 and we have 2 5s are 10, that is 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. So we have 1331 upon 4 5s are 20. So after calculating we get 66.55. Okay students so that is the interest for 1/4 year. Okay students is that clear? Okay so that is the interest for 1/4 year, 66.55. Okay so students now the compound interest for 3 whole 1/4 years. So students आप इन सब इंटरेस्ट को ऐड कर दीजिए. Okay so first interest is here 200, second interest is here 220, third interest is here 242 and fourth interest is here 66.55. Okay students So students, that means what is the sum here? That is 728.55. That is the compound interest for 3 whole 1/4 years. Okay students, हमें तो amount बताना है. Okay students, so what will be amount here? So amount will be principal plus interest. So here principal is 2000 plus and interest is 3 years, that is 728.55. ओके, दैट मीन्स अमाउंट का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? प्रिंसिपल प्लस इंटरेस्ट. मीन्स प्रिंसिपल 2000 था एंड इंटरेस्ट हमने सबका ये फाइंड किया. सो दैट मीन्स वी हैव 2728.55. ओके, सो दैट इज योर आंसर. Okay students, so now that's all for today, and students, if you have any doubts, so you can contact or message to me. Thank you. Have a nice day.